Hello, this is Baptiste from Crisp. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Crisp on a WordPress website. Let's get started. First, what we're going to need to do is to go to your WordPress dashboard, then to Plugins, Add New. Then we search for Crisp. We click on Install Now. Then we activate the plugin. Now a new link appeared called Crisp Settings. Let's click on it. We click on Connect with Crisp. Continue. We select our website in the list. As you can see, the Crisp chat is now fully installed. The chat also works from the home page. Now we can test the chat. We can now go to app.crisp.chat to reply. We can also customize our widget by going to Settings, Website Settings. Then we select our website in the list. Then Chatbox and email settings, and finally Chatbox appearance. We can, for instance, change the color to red. As you can see, our chat is now red. Finally, we can also invite colleagues to our team. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and don't hesitate to watch our other videos on YouTube. You can also contact us on crisp.chat if you have any troubles.